Hi, Annette. Let's estimate some stuff. We have a space probe that travels at 21,850 kilometers an hour for a distance of 7,805,190,000 kilometers. So, part A, we have to figure out how many hours will it take the space probe to travel that distance, and we're going to estimate. So the principle of estimation just means we take each of these numbers, like I'll do this one first, 21,000, and just get it to one significant digit. So we're just going to, like we got 21,850 there. Let me get Word up. 21,850. We're going to round that. We're going to round that to, well, let's round to this place. I'm going to look right to the right. That's less than 5, so I'm going to call that 20,000. Right? So we're just rounding at the leftmost digit. Now if I flip back here, we have this number, 7,800,000,000. Let's round that. Let's just call that 8 billion. So 8 billion. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it's going 20,000 kilometers an hour, if I understand this correctly, and that's the distance, and we're trying to figure out how many hours will it take. Okay, so there's the distance. I know that speed equals distance over time, thinking about physics now. So time is going to be distance over the speed, right? If we divide distance by the speed, that'll give us our time. So let's take this distance. That was just for me, by the way. I don't expect you to memorize those formulas or anything. Let's take this number and we'll divide it by 20,000. Okay, so 8 billion, get the old calculator out, put the right number of zeros, 9 zeros, divided by 20,000. And that's our answer, 400,000. Okay, so 400,000 hours, I estimate that this will take. So again, we're just using the principle of estimation there. So that's where the 4,000 comes. How many days will it take the space probe to travel that distance? Well, we have 400,000 hours, and I know that one day is 24 hours. So we'll divide 400,000 by 24, and that's where we get our estimated little answer there. Okay, so they want us to estimate that as well. Oh, okay, that's why. So instead of 24 hours, as you said, we would round this to, we would call this 20 hours, just as an estimate. Now again, obviously, I know that a day is 24 hours. We memorize that. Let me make some room here. Let me erase all this mess too. Okay, so I know that one day is 24 hours. But again, if we were just going to estimate this, I would look to the right. That's less than 5, so we'll just call it 20. Right, 20 hours, roughly. So again, we'll take that 4,000 and we'll divide by 20. And that's how you get your second answer right there. Okay? So again, I know that probably seems a little bit weird, but that's the principle of estimation. Round, look at the leftmost digit, and just make it as even a number as you can. Okay? I hope that helps you on that one. Decimals, I know you touched on that for a sec, but like let's say we have, I don't know, I'm just making this stuff up, 1.3. Okay, say we had to order all these. Well, what we can do, a cool trick, we just talked about this in class, is you can fill in the zeros. So fill in all the zeros and make them all nice and even, and then just start at the left and move to the right. So these are all ones, we go to the next one. Oh, 4 is bigger than 3 or 2, so this is our biggest digit. Then this one, then this one. So if we're going to order them from largest to smallest, that would be our answer. 1.42, comma, 1.3, comma, 1.2345. Something like that. Okay, so I hope that helps with the email. If you have any other questions, let me know.